Are you ready to dive into the world of people management strategies? Discover how these strategies shape the working environment and drive organisational success. Let's explore key aspects from leadership styles to CSR initiatives.
Safety is paramount, ensuring a safe workplace to prevent accidents. 02, the working environment includes both physical and psychological conditions. 03, ergonomics play a role in providing comfortable workspaces. 04, amenities like cafeterias and rest areas support employee well-being. 05, this environment boosts productivity and job satisfaction. A positive working environment enhances employee well-being. It reduces absenteeism and improves productivity. Job satisfaction rises in such settings. Google's innovative office design serves as a prime example. Recreational areas and wellness facilities are key features. Each style impacts engagement and satisfaction differently. Democratic leadership boosts engagement and satisfaction. Autocratic style may lead to low morale if overused. Laissez-faire suits highly skilled employees, but can lack direction. Zappos uses a democratic style, empowering employees. This approach enhances involvement in decision-making. Structure defines the hierarchy and role arrangement. Hierarchical structures have multiple management levels. Flat structures promote communication with fewer layers. Matrix structures combine functional and project-based roles. Each type affects communication and career paths. Hierarchical structures offer clear career paths, but may be slow to adapt. Flat structures enhance communication, but can overwhelm managers. Matrix structures promote flexibility and collaboration. However, they can create confusion. IBM's matrix structure enhances flexibility and innovation. Culture encompasses shared values and norms. Values guide decisions and actions. Norms set expectations for behavior. Rituals reinforce the culture regularly. A strong culture boosts morale and loyalty. A positive culture enhances morale and loyalty. Misalignment between values and practices can cause cynicism. Patagonia's culture emphasizes environmental responsibility. This attracts employees sharing similar values. A strong culture can boost employee engagement. Development opportunities enhance skills and career growth. Training includes workshops and courses. Mentorship pairs employees with seasoned mentors. Career pathing provides clear progression routes. These opportunities increase job satisfaction and retention. Job satisfaction rises with development opportunities. Retention improves as employees feel valued. Deloitte offers extensive training and mentorship. This fosters continuous professional growth. A skilled workforce enhances organizational capability. Flexible practices balance work and personal life. Remote work allows working from different locations. Flex time offers flexible start and end times. Compressed work weeks mean longer days but fewer weeks. These practices improve work-life balance. Flexible practices reduce stress and burnout. They attract diverse talent by accommodating needs. Microsoft offers remote work and flexible hours. This enhances satisfaction and productivity. A balanced work life improves employee well-being. These practices build trust and credibility. Ethical practices enhance trust and morale. They align with employee values, boosting loyalty. The Body Shop is known for fair trade and cruelty-free products. Such practices resonate with employees. They build a positive organizational reputation. CSR addresses social, environmental, and economic impacts. Environmental sustainability reduces carbon footprint. Community engagement supports local initiatives. Ethical sourcing ensures fair supply chain practices. CSR enhances organizational responsibility. CSR initiatives boost employee pride and motivation. They attract talent valuing ethical responsibility. Unilever's Sustainable Living Plan is a prime example. It focuses on reducing environmental impact. CSR aligns organizational goals with ethical values. People management strategies are crucial for success. They influence the working environment and motivation. Strategies include leadership styles and development opportunities. Flexible practices and ethical standards are also vital. Effective implementation drives organizational performance. UK Versity Online uses various strategies to enhance performance. Financial incentives motivate and retain employees. Flexible working arrangements support work-life balance. Continuous development ensures a skilled workforce. Leadership training fosters strong organizational dynamics. Incentives and flexible practices boost motivation. Continuous development enhances skills and performance. Recognition programs foster loyalty and reduce turnover. Ethical practices align values with organizational goals. These strategies create a committed and productive workforce.
In conclusion, we have learned that effective strategies are the key drivers of performance and success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 074843616888.